Hey guys, today I'm reviewing this portable blender that the brand sent out to me to test out. Now, I've been wanting a portable blender for a couple of different reasons. Sometimes if I'm out at work and I don't want to spend money on an expensive protein shake or something like that, it's so much cheaper to make it at home. Plus, at home, I know what I'm adding to my drinks. Also, we camp a lot, so toting a Vitamix to the camper is just not practical. Or if you tent camp, this would be a great option for you. So when you first receive your blender, mine was at like an 80-something% charge. You want to go ahead and get it charged up to 100%. It took me roughly an hour to get that charge back up to 100%, which is actually pretty quickly. So in the container, you're going to have your cup. You're going to have this lid that you can use if you're going to be toting it. It's also going to come with this sponge, the actual base, and a USB-C cord. Now, it won't come with the block, so if you don't have a block, unfortunately, that's something you're gonna have to get. There's graduated markings on here, but make sure that it doesn't go past the 300 ml line. Now, I'm gonna be making a quick protein shake with some banana. So I already have a super ripe banana. This is a whole banana that I'm putting in the blender. I'm actually gonna add some protein milk to this, and then I'm also gonna add some additional almond milk. Actually, I don't know if I'll have enough space. So I added a banana, plus I added roughly 5.5 ounces of milk, protein almond milk. So next, you just screw this on. And you want to make sure that your arrows are lined up. And you can see that it's lined up here. There's an arrow here and an arrow here. Once that's on, you just long press. And there's a countdown. It's going to go for 30 seconds. Now, as you can see, it did turn off after 30 seconds. That's a built-in feature so that the motor won't burn out. But let's take a look and see if it actually blended up the banana. Yeah, there's no chunks. Let's take a sip. That tastes so much better with a banana. Guys, this is a game changer. This is super easy to use, and you could make your own vegetable juice, celery juice, anything that you come up with, and it'll blend really easily. Just make sure you cut it up first. You don't want to overwork the blades. There are 8 stainless steel blades that are really sharp, but you don't want to dull those blades by using super big chunks of vegetables or fruit. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. I think this is a great product. I hope it lasts. I always use these products for 3 to 6 months, and if they're no good, I will come back and do an update. But thanks to the brand for sending this out for me to test out and to give you guys my honest review.